What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to unbiasedly test the inverse square law of light and see what the data tells us. The law of light. Light intensity decreases with distance from the source to the receiving surface. Right here is a little diagram of it. It comes up in arguments in the flat earth globe earth side, so we're going to unbiasedly test it first and then come to a conclusion. So I picked up this light meter. It measures up to 300,000 lux. And it's only 37 bucks, and Amazon has a wonderful return policy. So you can buy this, test it yourself, and then return it, because that's what I did. When we look at the lux of the sun, it says direct sunlight, 32,000 to 100,000. My guess is early morning, late evening, when you're still in direct sunlight, but it's fighting a ton of atmosphere, versus noon. But we'll test that. So we started at 9:30 in the morning on August 25th, and spent some time getting it to aim directly at the sun. I'm gonna speed up every other video section like this so that you can see that I'm showing it. We got 840, 841 as the average. So now we've got a 1028 measurement, and it has stabilized at 855. By the way, these are multiplied by 100, so this is 85,500. So now 1128, we take our measurement, and it seems to bounce around 878, 875, somewhere in that range. So my solar noon is at 12:29, but my timer didn't go off. So 12:57, we'll do this measurement. So we got in the 872-ish, 873 range. So my timer didn't go off again. So this time we're doing it at 1:59. It took me a while for it to finally stabilize here. But we ended up with the 866, 867 range. So now we're gonna take our 2:30 measurement. And it looks like it's about 870, 866. So now it is 328. This is our last measurement for the day. And it's high 840s, low 850s. Seems to be where we get a nice stable number. Okay, so here's the outcome of our test. It looks a little wonky because I made it full widescreen and then realized I was making vertical video. So I had to cut it like this. So again, all of these are multiplied by 100. So at 9:30, it's 84,200. At 12:57, it's 87,200, and so on. You can see between the watch and the reading, I have a little map. So between 9:30 in the morning and 11:30 or the 12:57 reading, there's really only a 3% change. At 9:30 in the morning, the sun was above Venezuela, and at 11:30 in the ocean just south of Mexico, and at 12:57 out in the Pacific a little ways. The measurement difference on that is literally half the distance, though. From 8:30 in the morning till 12:57, the sun is twice as close to me, yet somehow reads only 3% brighter. So this kind of eliminates the possibility of a local sun, maybe a little more local than 93 million miles, but it's definitely not only 3,000 or 4,000 miles high or local in the term that Flat Earth thinks. Again, anyone can do these measurements, do these tests, try anything you want. Just come up with an idea and then test that idea and see what results you get. If you want to know more about this test, I can put together a bigger video. If you have any theories, ideas, conspiracies we need to debunk, let me know and we can do that.